How to make money. Welcome to How to Make Money. 7 real ways that work in 2025. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just looking for extra income, this video is for you. The world is changing fast. Opportunity is everywhere. Let's face it, the world is changing fast. But with change comes opportunity. Freelance. Sell your skills online. Got a talent for writing, design, coding, or even voiceover work? Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with people who need your skills. It's free to start, and you set your own rates. Many freelancers earn $500 to $5,000 per month selling digital products. Have you ever made a checklist, a template, or even a cool wallpaper? People buy these things every day on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip. Create once, sell forever. Here are some examples include ebooks, planners, stock photos, or Canva templates. No shipping, no inventory, pure profit. Content creation. You don't need 1 million followers to earn. With just a few thousand fans, you can start monetizing through brand deals, affiliate links, and YouTube ad revenue. Pick a niche. Be consistent. Add value. Entertainment, education, or inspiration. It all works if you show up. Online tutoring. Are you good at math, languages, or even playing guitar? There's a global demand for online teachers. Use platforms like Preply, Cambly, or even Zoom to start your own tutoring sessions. You can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 an hour. Teaching what you know can literally pay your bills. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. No need to create products yourself. Example: share a favorite book from Amazon. If a friend buys it through your link, you get paid. Use sites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact.com. Just be honest and only promote what you believe in. Sell a service. Services like babysitting, dog walking, photography, or fixing computers can earn you cash today. Combine offline work with online marketing using Facebook, WhatsApp, or local listing sites. Don't just sell a service. Offer a solution. People pay for results, not time. Print on demand. Want to sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with your own designs? With print on demand, companies print and ship it for you. You just collect the profits. Dropshipping. Similar to print on demand, dropshipping lets you sell products online without holding inventory. Use Shopify or Etsy to get started. AI tools can help. In 2025, AI can make your work easier. Use ChatGPT to write descriptions, Canva to design products, and editing apps to create content quickly and professionally. Making money today is less about working harder and more about working smarter. Pick one method. Take small steps. Be consistent. Results come to those who take action. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more ways to grow your income in 2025 and beyond.